Today we've got a video on the Volkswagen EOS. Today I'm going to show you how to change the drive belt. First of all, you want to remove the front driver's side wheel if it's on a right-hand drive car, or passenger side on a left-hand drive car. This is so you'll gain access to remove the inner wheel arch. In this video I'll show you how to change the drive belt. It's an easy job. So I'm just taking off the inner wheel arch here. I'll also show you a bit later how to take off the tensioner in case you need to change the tensioner as well. So please subscribe to these videos. These how-to videos are notoriously hard to get subscribers, but every subscriber helps. So now you can see access to the drive belt. It's going around the aircom clutch there, and it also goes around the alternator. So on that nut there that I just touched, it's I believe it's 16mm. So you get a 16mm ring spanner, and that can release the tension. So 16mm ring spanner, push towards the back of the car, and that releases the tension. You may have a squealing worn belt, so obviously if you put a new belt on, this is how you'd change the belt. You can also release the tension from the top of the car. I'll show you that in a minute. There's the drive belt tensioner there. Now it's in the release position. You can't see one of the bolts to take it off, but I'll show you here. If you put an open end span on the top of the tensioner and slide a pin in, that will allow you to have access to the both bolts, top and bottom bolt. So I'll show you again in this view. This was me doing another job, but on the right there you can see the top of the tensioner. That's where you'd put the open-ended spanner, and you'd push towards the front of the car there. So I've already released the bottom bolt. So now I just need to release the top bolt to remove the tensioner. There we go, the tensioner has just dropped to the floor. Right, here's showing the tensioner to go back in. It is in the retracted position with a pin in place. This allows you to get to the bolt holes at the top and bottom for refitting the tensioner back in place. Like I say, if you're just doing the belt, you don't need to do this, but if you're changing the tensioner, obviously you need to put the new one in. So now I'm just placing the belt rib side around the ribbed wheels, and the smooth side around the smooth bit of the tensioner. So just placing it all round, making sure all the ribs are square to the wheels, so it's all fitted as you'd expect. So you can see a bit of slack there because I've got the tension, the pin in the tensioner. So I'm just releasing the pressure, removing the pin, and allowing the tensioner to tension the belt again. And that's the job done. So please like and subscribe. I've got other videos showing how to do things like the timing belt, so please have a look at those as well. Thanks for watching.